puja doors. Puja doors is, apart from the importance, it is also very close to the customer's heart, the spiritual quality. It is not about only the puja doors that we actually focus on. We can provide you with the mandapam or the wall decorations or the ceilings or the flooring. Everywhere we can actually consider the entire puja room idea and provide you with a very interesting puja room.
See, artistics is creative resources available. So all the entire team of artistics is, all the directors are basically artists who graduated from College of Arts and Craft in different disciplines. Like I finished my painting, the other directors who have passed out, they finished sculpture and visual communications. We are a creative team, we are a group of artists who develop various products for house, corporates.
We would like to bring about a more creative design to cater to the discerning customers, architects and interior designers, bringing about new materials, new finishes. So we have been actually doing a lot of innovation in terms of actually how the creative work is actually processed. So we are improving the process to bring about much more quality, much more creative and much more unique. Therefore, we would be bringing in a lot of new designs and new products and new applications.
See, we have a design team which consists about 15 artists from various disciplines and all graduated from the various design schools of the country. So we give a schematic drawing first to the client. Once the client sees and approves the sketches, then based on the approval of the client, then we further go develop a design on the system, on softwares compatible to the project, and what the project demands, then we use the software accordingly.
The thing interesting about artistic is that in this 33 years it's always reinvented itself. It is went about actually, we have been doing only stained glasses, then we got into murals, we got into embellishments, we got into this, there's a consistent innovation is actually happening in the company, and we are perpetuating this process in the company. Therefore, we are trying to bring about much more quality, much more better finishes, and we are actually improving every day in our processes.